for higher juicy news, Mima Obibia Aquaba, Ahadia, latest and hot news, and Enamide, Bremo, Enuti, so we subscribe to channel, Bomodia say, over subscribe. The other say, over click a subscribe button, you know. Now, Wabele, a notification, we understand if you do be upload, when the first person I want to ever can I video. I feel we are now, what like if you give us a thumbs up. Now, share my for Frost now when you be here. Now, who and somewhere coso, Ghana Bemuano. Afi ye share ye and someone abeto ye puno so eya abato ye de ba behye so eye December 7 and sembebre nara and na APP mu da abeto ye puno so sisi ade se eye NDC supporters bi woni nyane tie se eye hotel bi a friend White Gate Woga South eye bebi o mo friend Galilea na ho no won ko bo eye police force tre che se de yakoso ho de se eye hotel no asojafo akoguo na won susu se nkrofo bi akohye ho a che se wane tompreti eye ballot papers na no na wane tie ye pa NDC supporters see one call reported by police for that just one police for a call hotel or a assembly bro my UTV reporter back or a MC kupio and much say war board and some assembly with the video nina bremo na any can share a year story a better abontina far a year sasibuya about today you share a year story no or say election 2024 Gas South MCE allegedly slaps UTV journalist at Galilea now your story no say the municipal chief executive for Gas South Assembly Joseph Nyani Stephen has allegedly assaulted 2 journalists following a confrontation on Friday, December 6, 2024. According to Despite Media, Jacob Kubi, he and Akufo Addo of TV3 had responded to an incident where some supporters of the National Democratic Congress in the company of police officers stormed a hotel and engaged in a confrontation with some soldiers at the hotel on suspicion of ballot staffing. Said them di kankai no eye hotel a friend White Gate eye NDC supporters bi woni nya say eye nkrofo bi akohye ho a che say wane tomprete eye ballot papers na no na eye central force so ebopini honum na otua story no say the reporter stated that during the confrontation between the police officers and the soldiers which resulted to cocking their guns upon sighting the police and the MC citing the police, the MC turned up at the scene and took offense in the attempt to capture videos of the confrontation. Not just say, police for a call hormone, now soldier phone so who's are what the both nature say one cocky 1 2 no, and the quay heated exchange, we can. And as central for one could also, you want to say a bear, one be capture. Then on MC be pure hormone, say the buffy, I say, or cowboy, yes, and training back, assume. But see, the MC said he wouldn't allow the recording. He was engaged in a confrontation with a colleague journalist, and the next thing I saw was him turning his anger on me and giving me a blow. Just said the buffy, MC the buffy, and just said, well, boy, yes, and training back, assume Ning I say, Mamucha, and a coffers as we buy. Now, Yam Kuti, a year reporter, a year UTV, a reporter, a year Sassimway, yes, and training or no, your board and some more than some air to Yam Kuti. The reporter what they etudwa efa eye sasema course or my details of the story no yendi kan enkotie ne nsebo na fe de obi a yemfa nsomo ntie eye nsemo eye reporter no editudwa yenti ne nsebo no
yo ene anape ene yenya ne ntie se obefie mu wo eye gasaw a oni ewutu senya ene ebohye no hotel bi ewo ho ye fro no White Gate a eno ebe eye gasaw asame no asojafo bi abegu ho mo na one am ho ni tire mu say omu susu say enkofo bi e wo White Gate inside or e hotel ho omu top pretty ballot papers a omu de beko egutu senya east ensino eno ntina asojafo no abetra ho omu bo ho ban enti ye wo ho say na ehu say NDC amanyokuo no akoye complain e wo police station omu ni a police for mienu abepie mu e wo hotel ho ekoba ni tan na yedi omu tire aba yedu ho na ena eye soldier for no mo ho no mo sha se mo kroko mo tru pa omo mpren ema police ni no ene eye NDC for no enwura hotel ho enko check se ni omo tie no eye no kra na se enye no kwe ekoba ni sa no ema ye police ni a odi eye NDC for na chi wona mo koye complain no eba eye hotel ha se no so eye reinforcement ena ti se me no ka se die a police for a otumi to mo ye mema pa abepie mu e wa ha se na bro mbe pie mu wa ha sense no na emu aye din papa enya tankuma ye be rank ye mamu rank ante ena onya for Joseph Nyani a onu ye Gas South MC ebe pie mu e wa ha abro hu yen central for na no to share so adentina in central for abepie mu e wa ha mini uka say die oni reporter baako omo MCE no say on tia nti oni yen central ni baako ye gidigidi free ho na no de ba me so me de wa ma me bros baako panya police police mu say free ha yanko police station yanko ye complain enti mini uka say die ubepie mu e wo ye ga south MCE wo ye the South has no, or also ever has a or no member, and I start to upon so only a police for to do a begu a year hotel ha, almost to say the crab mom person will wrap inside with no more and for no more inside in your almost airporting. And so, Mino can say they may catch us attention and what papa, and yet, as I said. Kwabena Agyapong tena edit phone edos wa ase no ntira mama to get nim say omama obia right inside in the edit phone penny phone no any MCE no any asoja phone no enyina na ti say omo chen sada sia de ye wa abontin ye hwe de ebe koso wa ha ba me no ka say de MCE ni mo bedu ha no na wa sa say ni wono mo wa ha no e kuntofa ba police phone ba ha de metima ka cho say ne ho aboto kakra wa photo officer opa ye cho but miss the just pan me say me free am go police station.
Àwọn fenti obo wasum na police fo gina ehwe anoma ehu
gidi into the no mo tell me say you free ha say you be call police station homo na kwa you complain in central for na ordinance akeka ye no say no nim say police for do sa ebeba into abra omo police ni ana soldier for ko ke to no won so no reinforcement no ti say de omo ho aboto
enti ya ka say MC no da so ho MC na nkasa ne ball nto da so ho
MCE no wo ho mo na a police for so a soldier for no so e wa ha say
onu anebo we MCE anebo we
Joseph nyane onu anebo me enye asem kuma we enye dedi kan ya wa 30 meter o susu onu chemu say yes I don't point be wa ha say no ye mfe na asem na so asem okay enye no ko okoye ni program bia so a otusa e de fe UTV e ma me cover e ma me nti de wa ye sisi e de ye ncheda enchi ase
tension wo fom kakra nke ne bo nkomo we be
Mino ka say the police for no amate no e da ko wura de mu ho mo a mo ko sechi e de mu ho a hwe enyama e wo ho e na fence no ni o de asoja for no e beku eye hotel house
wo nkwa na obu wo na ada journalist ne de bibia nsia na
ono no cha ase e wo no so ono no cha ase e wo no so different no so no e na o de ba eye me so
aha nti ye nua ba ko metini na kasa
baby
afane man
hello
me nua ma hai
Many amateur so.
Nsentwe ni bia na mne kasa report ma hefo.
Akwasi Addo TV3.
Kwasi MC ni ba na osese ye den.
Me ne minua ejekop kubi. Anope na obesra me wo me fie. Enti ya pie ko pe ba bia tena kakra na ya fa ye ho adwen ahead of the election. Na ye hunu se police ni bi ne and for the cars be wrap hotel be but they are unusual. I say Jacob na dey na ekoso ti ye draw close and ye say among of what that here omoko kekokituo na ye ba ya soldier for wo ho ne ade na ye hu say ndc for bi nso wa ha nti ante na MCE no one ne nkrofo enso so bedru ye na de ate ante MCE ne na ode Mílitary for ne ba say omo wembeda ha na during the elections ne say BBC na wa frɛ omo enti meni Jacob could be ye twa video na MCE ne ye ne say da bi omo ye ntwa enti ase na one ye kasa basa enti me de me hu ya ne say watu ahye menu Jacob could be so na wa bebo no so tro
bia nkoso
hello menia
awon fa nka bibia antia no che say anu yiye bia nkoso wan say watu nsa
Jacob could be anka bibia antia ga South MCE Joseph Nyani they all can say when you video nature and ya wahana me hu say ya can say Central East Regional Police Command officers ne free ho no bebrebe aba na wo mako right inside our mo hwe de koso ti me nua bi say ya de say ya no
akwasi ya da say ne mu wi police station straight so
yo
awon fe
me na ba
yan fancy ya ho ana bibi fofo ho
ye be si ya sisi ade me no ka say de eni samanyo ko no omo so mo nti omo ho ate enti dodo na ba na ba omo se kwan bia so no o se no mbewre mu no ma hwede ehim
UTV for that the course on a UTV reporter the course or and a wording in Atudra about to a babeto a boko asugiri engineer a denny pinching na soja for any police for Yabopa say Bibia be Jojo. Na sasimu esi no security expert a friend no Adam Bona ono so react ma wadan sembi di nsem ekoso asojafo a deploy mo election basui ene a police for wode sembi atoja yenkotie Adam Bona one Captain Smart etwetwe nkomo yentie nsem a Adam Bona de tudwa security expert yentie nsem no.
The second releaser, Ghana Armed Forces, at the base, Afenyo, soldier for no polling station. Now, Mumuno, Wombe detail you to certain parts of the country, Sabasabasaibi, Basura, no Metimiako, and it's the same thing. And I say, SCA. Opinion has been out to me, Kamajo.
The Mahamadu Captain.
Now, Bibia Boko there.
Captain, Radiatum, Bibia Boko.
Meno Kasana, we pet na ase Bibio Wana.
Afenyo Mande Bibiri, the Kaswani deployment, 4 billion, Brigadier General, Opokune, 2 billion, Omo Kadiomu is chief in Nepal, and the AC, Yatani saying, Kaswa, Senyani, the Kikamu, Neomani, the Bibiri, every minute, some of us, because you're within the space, you know, very discomforting. I think, sir. Things would have to straighten up between now and tomorrow morning.
Major Brigadier General Poku Ayede, then a Koso to be
unregistered motorbikes have headed to Ashanti region. Unregistered pickups have headed to Ashanti region. Now, see, you know, typically, military vehicle has a mark. Military vehicle has a number plate mark for the military. Military crown, so the entire say. Color no green and two almost dispatch riders and answer infidel no the one na spring green in a way military green. And so once you begin to see your son is saying things like that now questions may see a bizarre the air course war your son is saying 2 billion in the western region. And then, you know, we are monitoring it 24/7. We are monitoring it, and every minute, every second, news of some movements is coming up. It just by somebody released in Abano. I think it's just that post facto, you can say thing. They are now trying to, calm us down, but I think it is too late. Because then that is contradictory.
Eti ebanesa na mo space no mu bibi etesa den na mo betimi ayesi ano kwan ma na bo yen yetebem fo no.
Oh, we won't be sir. The first thing we do is to call and cross check. Me no ka say so nim say military phone be say be no ma hwero mo nkwa Kumasi Ashanti region. So I mean say Somalia. I saw it today on your network.
Then see
2 days ago. The military wanted to go on patrols, and the police requested, say, and because of the air we don't want you to go on your own. And the military, led by the 4 billion CEO, Brigadier General Poku, they disagreed. Someone they on patrols, and I think Mahamadu Bawumia say, and they had an accident, and I think immediately 1 or 2 of them died immediately. Just there and there. By
and Patron, Opacha say, yet say BBC SC, but that we needed, confirmation proper. Near dear master, that's by Omudu Kromuna, where you Kumasio, na Omu Rosoja for no.
But that's what they're from a reliable source. But what it is that there was an accident. And if they had actually followed the directives of the police and said that, okay, would they this? Because you see, because of what has happened, people among for one and for say, yes, we are for near Asundie, young Petty see Techima, no any of the review, young person because see your memory. And it's said, yeah, fortunately, so therefore, penny for Japan say, any among of the own secret, and the most secret, yes, but to say, Ashanti region, and a region, because of vagabonds, Nibu Komo, Ama Akumasi, no, and the patrols then Amoye. Police force a young come together, one penny, and a music room, and then there's an accident. And some of that. and the ECA say nobody has been informed. But what I'm saying is that this is only so Captain Smart, a lot of the generals are your friends. Or you have your ears on the ground. These are issues that haven't come up because more men have been sent to the region, being given. And my point is that it shouldn't be about what can you ever and we said the Air Force will never cost it. No.
2000, Chairman Rawlins, the then president, Asia, security heads Nina with some party in Penny 4 from all the political parties and now contested 2000 elections, and then later na Babontin say enya dia wamobema soldier for akomonten so to say the enemre so the AC pepepe echire no eba se wombeko then enwumre no wotwe ye kwa ade be che ye kwoto aba 2000 de no na sabeto mu say there be afi soldier for no wonko na mum no wondo wombeko baby a wombebo aposi for na say bia putupuru bi si a wonwatimi akwakoboa won but say the ye hunu no a bit different. And then they say, what about the soldier for the quiet mamma near? Better say, one more hotel way, Ewo Jowlu, one more hotel way, Ewa Ha, one more hotel way, Ewo Crow. So, any idea? Ghana Armed Forces for the Kratabe trouble until says, so who's a soldier for baby? Now, and yes, I dream bonnet quan. So now, what Jumanuntina, I'm on Mode Omoko. Do you think, Sananka, as a ceremony political parties, Emudao, and I say secret deployment, we know it's allowed?
Well, there's a kind and classroom. I don't want to say I don't want to use harsh words. Now, hotel, hotel. So the idea is that if you are going to be on standby, waiting for the police to tell you, say, we are overwhelmed. Now, Captain Smart, maybe said the right place for them to be should be where? Should be within the nearest police station. Wouldn't that be the nearest place for them to be parked and waiting? Would you go and be at a police station? At a hotel, and you're kind of saying not only a police phone because I think it is a true baby. We are in a sister station TV3 can. At the moment, the armed forces is headless. There is no direct command and control. It is broken into pieces. And you'll be at your pay. If you can't say CDF prepare and be a man penny pen and where you never free home. But if it's there, now yes, we understand the issues that are happening. But so much in the catcher and say, yen replace with that war. Yen man so but say you can't say the problem. You can't say over here now. They are being housed in some. They are taking position in some hotel. They are taking positions. Many can say messages are coming, and the messages are coming with your kind of images. The messages, you see now Ghanaians are, and you know what is going on. One can call for me. Wouldn't say me no can say. Wouldn't say me no can say. Oma transfer. You can't say. A lot of the people from the ops room, if you are, you kind of saying, excuse me to say, in order not to sound tribalistic, if you are from the Volta region and from the north, they've transferred all of them to Obuasi for mining operations. Once I will free we are free Volta, any northern, yes, I want them to come and tell me, and I'm sure, sir, transfer or free various strategic positions. I don't call you can say on the floor catch. So yes, I think that we have gone past that. We have gone past here. We've gone past that. Where the soldiers themselves, soldier, you see, a human police needs soldier needs a human. They work together. But we are the tribal lines there. Because if you send them to go for operations, and yes, we are money, and now you're Chenny, and now you can't say Asante, and now you're Chimney, and now Bunoni. No, they work. At that point, there's no tribe. And so, upon the same time, when you phone start here in Yimua, a day before elections, and you do some of these things, and you know that we are. they will definitely inform, they will definitely share information. And this is what is happening today. I mean, they've sent them to that mining operations in Obuasi. Mine and the mining, Abano Obuasi 1 year, and as a two mining galamsey pits. Is it right? And so maybe the end say, what would you see, Senior D? And no panel or a month for friends say, BBC. So I quickly have to call the police and call this, and the boys are going to buy petrol. Boys leave the aqua petrol, say. And I think they were shooting, and the soldiers were also shooting from the building. No, and the soldiers have been held hostage in the building. And so some of them had said they are going to buy petrol, and they will touch the whole building. Can you imagine? So I have to calm them down and tell them, no, you can't do that. Wait, the police is want to do one, and I'm going to de-escalate situation. And as I said, of the Omcas on the I'm out for any break. The least our armed forces can do is to stay away. When I say armed forces and can't be away, Bema, free and not Pababisi, and you know where I can say. Senka armed forces no you are most free at you. I make catcher Senka, where you me, where you coming, where you say, and count Tiffy. Even chairman, the late chairman Rollins, your kind is the President Rollins. Even Nabresso, he's says what they said they would do, they won't do deploy the army. That's any confusion that they are. And mine is that it is not helping. You know, the 2 billion, 4 billion, and more. Why? So for me, Captain Smart, you know, the reason why I'm here because I think it's that bad, and we are praying that we should message here free. Asante Regional Minister for media for I'm surprised that one can have one can once because when you money in free Asante someone can be. Who reading the statements now? Or also who are allowed to go in Ashanti region to collation center, polling centers, no, to do any work. Media phone can. And the question
Asante Regional Minister, the statement in the
authority to even write what you wrote.
Asante Regional Minister.
Asante Region as a republic.
And I know they are not paying ye catch the same fakwem. But if you are Asabi Busafia.
Yeah, Mira, Bonasa Otianka, Majubi, na Bibusawo, Kaswa issue no, when ya update Fufrobia, Obetimia son ate.
Oh, update Armenia, and eventually the soldiers were led out. The people went in there attempting to search, but I think they laid siege because some of the boys, I'm told some of the boys are still they are still there. You know, they said they are not going to get out of the place because I almost say they are not moving and so they are still there as you can say. Some of them are still they are still around the place almost free because until you know, some of them are going to continue to remain there. And I said, well, it is their right if they feel this is what will help them. That's fine. I can't tell them to leave the place.
I don't know, sir. I think last week or so, military for one Rupre be Eco PMU Tamale, one airport to her. A Korea trade information from her. Military for be a share that ye video a Sunday my ye. And indicate ye medical dear na a woman mother air cordier. Ye but bosso call election say ni nan say send asra 4 year muhone or majuma yonumono. Adaroma ya onu munya kasesie bi wo wonom se no musi conduct your muhono.
Oh, I will say at least sabi being media for the mo me bin komache munim at least what my stance on the military or any advanced country. How the military force or motorbike so if you want to talk about to Chrome, maybe boy pool, maybe no UK you can say English memu London maybe a Kekamwa. JFK and now you can say Newark, any of the airports are maybe signal being and number protected. Germany, we call any of these countries. Soldier for Omuninem crew. But Hano, Akwa say, easy, easy, not a more soldier for a one whom I could take the back. Any, you know, any day Kakamu, That is not the work of a soldier. That's not the work of a military officer. But unfortunately, the Kwaku Annan say, "Your first soldier for me say, Omudi Omumra near New Swabo." But open share Obia, the some of them are generals. Omudi Sana Mrasami. Any serious country, the army. What is a general? A general in the army. It's a serious big position. But you know, then I become because you can say, "What do you call Winniba?" And that's a more. So therefore, you assist the Aqua. Oh, you can't say Kasua, Senior East, so you can't say, you assist the Aqua. And you ask yourself, when the police is there, police is one who police fire and immigration, and then come with prisons, or Mona on the ballot boxes. No. And most of the phone I have to some more Aqua go on. More than you know what can say. They positioned about a whole company because a company in the military. That's about 150 or so officers. Our Jubilee House, and then America, the football war. So these are things that they're studying and training for me say. At me, among the escalated, and not too much. It's not necessary.
Yerabona, I can't less than 12 hours. Now, you're quite to Santini Akwaku ye mampene ye mrashi bedwabufo de ya abato no ye postponed e de na ye betumi aye abasodwe aba drawing and after the elections
I said ye betumi aye say Ghana for be ma ye ni anda ho na ya no the Ghanaian way is a calm way. You will not allow anybody to take advantage of you. Said the Kaswa boys akaso mu free hotel na mo omo dawa to say the twaba ni baby no. Yeah, you need that one. I say a letter. Then now we are coming on. And you say, so that brass, so free so that there's also a fortuna. Oh, Yame FY now. Around this time now, Onia Mwapo, we peace election, we peace in our way, we are the first. We are receiving. No, but this is here for country. We are doing the smoothness level from 5 o'clock. Now, what we're doing, now that's it. Till Sunday. Hopefully by Sunday, no, now you can let me say so for me, that's what I think.
Now, we share the posture of the military now. Any other signal be a say, Omo Niamano Shadam Quit is any okay. About this, is it going to be a clash with the Ghana Police Service or more? I am mandate to say some more. About to over Bayana.
Oh yes, we conducted a survey among security officers. A large percentage of the military officers themselves are not happy. And so if anybody is attempting to use them, it will backfire. The reason is that for 1 year, military form is more business community. Yet after them almost 70% pay rise, 35 nearby. They can almost be so they're just quiet. And I'll call the kind of army headquarters and so on. And so maybe the other say, no one should attempt to do anything because Ghanaians and Kasa, you need Adamo. And yes, I will see and pay into a Yahweh or Kaswan. Ordinarily, but Ghanaians are now alert. Ghanaians are alert. Unfortunately, I hear when there were the people, the soldiers were shooting, the boys behind the wall were also shooting. Oh, we should never have gotten there. But when the soldiers were shooting from inside, the boys outside, some of them were also shooting. Should we ever get here where soldiers are going to be held hostage? Then Ghana for soldiers, not your kind of saying Sudan, Ghana for soldiers. Then you go into a building, Ghanaians don't want you there, then you are shooting, and they are shooting and keeping you there to the police came. It means that we are expecting the police to be vigilant. Police for now are there so much to be escalated here. And you're vigilant. Not Ghana for yes, you are vigilant. You are vigilant. Let me say the military printed ballot boxes, that printed the one printed because you need a bed should be now. I think that is and we should become by now.
Abuse of power now.
Let me
say, Ocean the posture of the military now. Abuse of power from the politicians, and I say,
abuse of power, complete abuse of power. Ocean the Ashanti regional minister, the statement Jordi Baia. All he is trying to tell Ghanaians is say, Semomote and Kana Semaya de Mupa, maybe Asante region, the Shamasas, and Gemedia Mepe. And you can see the attitude of your kind of saying, the 4BNCO, who can attitude, media all year. And no one was okay, or not the episode, or movie on person, which says, yeah, they are saying, and to get a penny a day, obey to me and candy or a train. And so, like I said, you have unregistered motorbikes have arrived there, unregistered vehicles have arrived there. Forward operations. They're telling the Ghanaians should go and vote, and let's be alert. If we are so alert, motorbikes need a tour, any a tour the bar, will be the question passing, or try to be so any argument. Nipple berry, no berry, nipple be different. That is what I can say.
All right then. My end I was say, opinion others would be a situation where we start to suffer.
Yo, waiting for waiting and some about beto yepono so a hotel bia yesusu say a amount for the ballot papers akwakoshe ho anona asoja for ho achese wane boban ho enona ye ndisi for supporters bi e call report ma police for achese wade copy wa akoye ensem bebre make say so we can subscribe to channel dia bomodi ase obe subscribe so say had latest and hot news and go na me dey bravo Afenyo na wa like video and like the video. Give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer so that when you be here now, who and someone ekoso. Ewo Ghana memohadmo. Also betimi achre wadwen afa yes we nyina ho. Ewo comment box ni mo. Mobeti minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.